In Xi'an, a megacity of 13 million, Yannan Park Phase 2 transforms a once derelict site into a rewilded urban oasis. We revitalized a concrete canal into a vibrant water system and introduced a 1.5-kilometer-long urban balcony, connecting for neighborhoods and over 12,000 residents. Ravines and hills manage stormwater and nurture biodiversity, while skywalks offer sweeping views of urban nature integration with 20,000 trees, permeable surfaces, and colorful public seating. This is now a shared living room for all. More than a park, it is a green sponge for climate resilience and a vision for sustainable urban nature.